Hello and welcome to this course. We have this candle with a long wick here, a signal that the price will go up, and the candle is exactly on the VWAP. Because I'm late a little bit, I need to find the best moment to take two positions here. Stay calm in this situation, no need to take a position at this level. We need a price less than 3,118 to take two positions. Okay, just stay calm, and now the price up to 3,120, 22, 21. Okay. Okay, just stay calm. This is a bullish configuration. I'm sure that price will go up after that. Okay, stay calm. If this candle close at this level, we will not take any position here. Okay, now 3,120. Okay, the price push a little bit down. Okay, now the price push a little bit down. Okay, now we take two positions on 3,120 and 3,019. Not bad. The second one should be on 3,118, not 19. But the price move a little bit up in the exact moment of taking this trade. The market is never the same, it always changes. Every time you trade you need to recheck the situation. As you can see in this situation, we catch a bullish configuration, nothing sure, but that's mean 90% will go up. Now the price push down under the VWAP. In this situation, stay calm. As I said before, we have 90% of probability that the price will go to our direction, but we can accept a loss, no problem. Until now it's normal, the price push a little bit down to test the support level. Be ready with the close of this candle to take a decision, close this position or let it run. The key to trading success is emotional discipline. If intelligence were the key, there would be a lot more people making money trading. Good news, we will maintain our position. The price go up automatically after this candle closed. Few pips to reach the break even. Anyway, if the current candle close under the VWAP, I will close this position. Never base your trades on hope. Instead, you should be well informed based on the information and analysis you have at hand. Also use your experience to detect the best configuration and to gain experience. Practice a lot with one strategy in a demo account before you go live. When you go live, always choose the best configuration and manage your trades with confidence. The price break the VWAP is a signal that the price will continue up, but be ready, sometime the price collapse and this movement can be fast. That's why you need to be ready to close these positions if something go wrong. Now we are in a good position. I hope the price will break this level. Okay, the question here is why we are in a good position. That's because the volume here and this volume will push the price to our direction. All it takes is one little mistake to lose everything. That's why you need to be cautious when trading and understand the risks. The first step every trader should undertake before making a trade is to define their risk. Patience is one of the most valued skills you can have as a trader. As you see throughout this course and the preview course about gold, I took a very limited number of trades, only clean signal. 1 to 2 trades per week are enough for me to achieve my goals. Okay, as you can see here, the last candle is a green candle. We are at the good side, and the profit is more than 1,400 euro. Okay, we watch the market and we will close our trades if we see any reverse in the orientation. Maybe the price will break this level. If so, I will show you how to deal with this situation. Saving enough money to found a trading account takes a great deal of time and effort. It can be even more difficult if you have to do it twice. It's important to note that protecting your trading capital is not synonymous with never experiencing a losing trade. All traders have losing trades. Protecting capital entails not taking unnecessary risks and doing everything you can to preserve your trading business. Now we have two positive positions. We need to secure our profit by closing one position. I will close when the profit in one of them touch 1,000 euro. As you can see, the price push up maybe will continue in this direction, but we can't maintain our position because we scalp and we will take our risk if we continue being exposed. Traders need to remain focused on learning more each day. It's important to remember that understanding the markets is an ongoing lifelong process. Okay, now let's close this position with more than 1,000 euro in less than 45 minutes. I will watch this position and let it run. Always be ready for any change in the orientation and close your position fast if something goes wrong. The market environment is dynamic. The more traders understand the past trade and current markets, the better prepared they are to face the future. As you can see, the last candle is a small candle and no volume to push the price to our direction. I can close this position now, but now I will let this position open because I secured 1,000 euro and I can take free risk now. Maybe the price will go up in the next candle. Even if this position closed in the break even, I don't care. Okay, now let's adjust the stop loss on the break even. Okay, a little bit. Okay, it didn't work. Let me try again. Okay, small adjustment here. Now it's okay, the stop loss is exactly on the right place. Okay, just a small adjustment here. Okay, now it's in the right place. As you can see, the price stuck on 3,126, no volume to push the price up or down. I will leave this position open, maybe the price will go up and if the price go down, the position is secured. Stay focused on the big picture when trading. A losing trade should not surprise us. It's a part of trading. A winning trade is just one step along the path to a profitable business. It's the cumulative profit that makes a difference. Once a trader accepts wins and losses as part of the business, emotions will have less of an effect on trading performance. That is not to say that we cannot be excited about particularly fruitful trade, but we must keep in mind that a losing trade is never far off. Your business should earn a reasonable return in a reasonable amount of time. If you expect to be a multimillionaire by Thursday, you are setting yourself up for failure. Bad news, the price touched our stop loss, no problem, it was just the break even. We have already 1,000 euro as a profit and we lost 700 euro with the second trade. This is exactly the kind of risk you need to take, a risk calculated after a careful estimate of the likely outcome. Yes, I have lost 700 euro in the second trade. but I'm already earned 1000 euro in the whole transaction. That is okay. Here we are with the result. We took two positions. The first one gives us more than 107 euro, and the second lost 12 euro due to the swap here. Just because trading is easy to get into doesn't mean due diligence should be avoided. Learning about trading is integral to a trader's success, while the majority of trading knowledge comes from live trading and experience. The takeaway from this course is the best opportunity is when risks at a minimal level, and always take a calculated risk. Thank you and see you in the next course.